I don't want to walk today. And honestly, yes, I really don't want to walk today. Just wanted to stay in my room. And yun, ayoko talaga maglakad today. Pero maglalakad tayo. Not because I wanted to continue creating, but because, as they say, na yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay, kahit ayaw mong gawin, kailangan mong gawin. You have to do it if you really want to progress. You have to stay consistent. You have to stay motivated. And today, I wanted to share this specific moment because this moment is a moment na talagang hindi ko gustong gawin yung gusto kong gawin. And we all know that, it happens. Nangyayari talaga yun. So, yeah, let's still do it. I don't plan on making this a complicated walk or anything. So, we're just gonna be doing some walk talks. I'm not gonna wear shoes. It's just a normal walk. Maybe this is gonna be a short walk. Who knows? Short walk. So, ayun. Lalakad lang tayo. I'm just gonna wear slippers, chinelas lang tayo because I'm expecting na maalon na because I'm late. So, that's another thing. I'm also late to the party because hindi ko talaga siya pinano na mag-walk today. I plan on staying at home. Yun yung plano ko. But then again, I realized that why? Why would I be skipping today when I have all the time to do it? So I don't have any reason. So also yun, you also need to recalibrate yourself sometimes. So yeah, let's do the walking. Come walk with me. Ayan, so as you can see, nachinelas lang ako. This is my inside the house slippers. I have another slippers like that, pero brown. That's what we'll be using for today. Yun lang, intro ko lang yung gear natin for today, I guess. But yes, let's go na. So, ayan na siya. Lalakad tayo gamit ang tsinelas. This is fun. So, I walk the usual path. So, it's 5 o'clock na. Ayan. So, as I was saying, it's already 5 o'clock. Wala na ganong tao. And let's hopefully, since it's Sunday, sana nagsiuwian na yung mga tourists. This is kind of weird for me, especially sa paa ko. Kasi nga, I'm not used to walking with the slippers. Ayan, so dito pa rin tayo. Walking tayo. So, ulit tayo sa Barangay Magliba kasi lagaan ng tao. Yun lang. So, ayan, malapit na tayo sa dagat. Mukhang tahimik naman siya. Tuloy natin yung kwentuhan doon. So, ayan, we're here finally at the beach. The beach is surprisingly calm today. Hindi siya ganun kaligalig, ganun kaagad. Ayan, ganda. Ganda. Tayo lang sa dulo. Over there. Hello! Yung mga nag-hello. Mga kabataan. Tuloy lang natin talaga. Hi!
Hi, guys! Naka-iPhone ako!
Mga bata na San Fabian. Cute. So, doon tayo sa dulo para makapag-talk tayo ng medyo freely. Ano? So, i-flip natin yung camera later. Pero yes. Woo! Ganda pakinggan ng alon talaga. Ayan, proof of concept. Naglalakad tayo, tsinelas lang talaga. Kaya naman, hindi naman siya masakit sa paa. So, mabato nga lang dito sa part na to. Puro bato. Ayan. Sama natin ang mga kaasuhan. Ayan, pinatahan siya. Minsan yung mga doggies. Mababait naman yung mga doggies na yan. Medyo palakahol lang talaga sila. So if ever na magawi kayo dito, kaya matakot sa mga doggies. So ayun, so for today, same pa din naman, dagat pa din tayo. Pinakawalan pa rin tayo ng aso. Hopefully hindi nyo sila gano'n rinig because of the noise. Pero ayun, as I was saying kanina, this walk is not planned. Hindi talaga dapat ako mag-walk. Pero, I don't know, I just pushed through. So I guess yun yung topic of conversation natin today. Na, parang, how would you keep yourself motivated when you don't feel like doing the same stuff that you're doing? Kasi minsan nga naman you need to have a break with whatever it is that the routine that you have. Pero, for me kasi, I have so much time, especially today, Sunday. So, I don't want to entertain that excuse na hindi ko gagawin yung gusto kong gawin just because ayoko siyang gawin. So, I guess yun, self-awareness, and then know your triggers as well. Kung natitrigger ka na hindi mo gustong gawin yung mga gusto mong gawin, kagaya ko today. Ayun, reassess, and then think about your whys. Think about why you started in the first place, and then from there, doon mo marirealize na sayang yung oras and malakas yung alon. So, ayun. Yun lang. So, continue natin yung walk natin. So, yun pala. Before we continue the walk, I just wanted to share a brief observation that today, as you can see, there's gonna be no sunset because it's cloudy. Napaka-cloudy niya today. And then, ayun, actually today, since nakachinelas lang ako, I guess I look like a normal person. So, hindi ako weird tignan today kasi hindi ako nakasapatos. So, people are approaching me now, yung mga kabataan, nakita nila nag-vlog ako dito sa San Fabian. So, nakikita nila ako, and parang nakakatawa lang na gano'n. So, ayun. I hope you guys, whoever you are, na pinapanood tong video nito gets inspired by this content. This content, topic of conversation is how you can stay motivated even if you feel unmotivated. So, I guess yun yung topic of conversation natin. So, let's continue walking. So, ayun, dami ko nakikita ng kabataan. Medyo, kung makikita ninyo dito sa part na to, medyo maligalig yung dagat kasi nga malapit siya sa bato, yung humahampas yung alon. Pero technically, kung titingnan niyo, if you look at it, yung waves dito lang sa Dalampasigan, hindi siya masyadong maalon kagaya ng mga nakaraang araw before na sobrang daming alon. So, ayun. Nga lang, unfortunately, the Baywalk is ruined by the Typhoon Uwan. It's one of my early videos in this channel na nag-tour ako. It was devastating. So, yun. So, tara, let's continue walking. So, ayan, flimit ko na yung camera. I hope yung audio clear. So, dito sa part na to, ayan, mabato. Medyo masakit pala pag nakatsinelas ka nag-step sa mga mabatong part na yan. So, ayan. Oo, diba? Maligalig siya sa may Dalampasigan ng part. But regardless, continue the walk. Probably magagabihan tayo, so nag-bring ako ng light. Yan yung mga kabataan natin. Mag-hi ulit tayo sa kanila pag dumaan tayo. So, tuloy lang natin. Yan. Yan, ang ganda naman. Okay. Hello!
Oh, anong page niyo?
One walk at a time, napin nyo sa YouTube. Oh, di ba? Hindi nyo alam? Anong tanong?
Ang siglo.
Ito, papakita sa inyo. Wait lang. Hi! Hi kayo sa mga kabataan. Kabataan namang sabangan to. Kabarangay ko pa pala sila. Hello, pakilala ka. Pangalan mo?
Ako si Aiza Pinabas.
Tara.
Ako si Butyo Koy bilang tagapagtanggol na itong mga pinsang ko.
Ikaw. Si Taguro. Pakaba mo yung sarili. Hi!
Pakilala kayo po lang. Pakipalo pa ako. It's me, Iya.
Yes.
Kaki Alfred po. Aira, Normas.
Ayun. So, ito yung mga kabataan dito.
Irish po yun.
Irish po. Ikaw na. Very good ka dyan.
Yung mga may picture tayo, naling mo ng daro.
Oh, sige.
Turabigan namin. Papa.
O, i-plug din nyo ha.
Opo.
Para sumikat yung barangay natin. Gusto nyo yan?
Yes.
I-feature ko din siguro yung tuyuan natin pagka.
Sige po. Bye.
Bye! Nice meeting you guys.
Bye.
Sige na.
Bye po.
Bye. Punta pa ako doon sa dulo. Bye! Thank you. Ito mga bata kanina. Mga maliligalig. Mga kabarangay ko pa pala sila. So, halang, cute. Ayun, ito din mga to, mga babae. Punta natin sila, kulitin din. So, I guess, medyo random tong vlog na to. May topic, pero parang walang topic, hindi natin gets. Ang gulo natin ito ng TikTok. Para ulitin nila. Kamusta kayo dyan? Hello! Nagti-TikTok kayo?
Opo.
Taga saan kayo dito?
Lagayan ako sa kayo.
Ay, maglibad din kayo? Kabainil. Si Neil Ramos, yung taga doon. Ay, hindi. Anong pangalan nyo? Introduce yung sarili nyo.
Hi guys, my name is Amia Sadra Abdi.
Ikaw! Go!
Hi guys, my name is Donami Bukaw.
Bukaw!
Hi guys, my name is Kayla Kindi Paragas.
Hello guys, my name is Steven. So ayun, na lang.
Ano kayo?
Nagpa-vlog yet. So, new set of kabataan, taga Barangay Magliban naman. So, we're talking about probably promoting more of San Fabian and probably promoting more of my hometown. Because I love my hometown. And ayun, meeting with those kids parang gave me confidence to do this further and to do this more. So, I don't know, I think I'm maybe having some epiphany for today na parang to continue this journey. Kasi parang kanina, I think that may be the reason why I pushed through with the walk today kahit na ayoko talaga. So, yun. Flip naman natin yung camera. Let's flip the camera and see where we're walking. So, still, it's 5:32. We're not gonna see sunset, although there is some orange thingy over there. Wala pong sunset today kasi cloudy. But yes, I'm continuing to walk even if I'm only wearing slippers. And yes, daming kabataan and nag-subside na yung mga tao sa beach. I guess mainly because it's Sunday and tomorrow is a work day na. So people are going back home to their places. And I guess most of the people around here today are mostly locals na. So yun. Ang daming bato. Yeah. Medyo wala kasing alon dito sa park na to. Ayun. So splashy, splashy. More. So much kanina it's more dramatic. Right now it's not. Yeah. Splashy, splashy. So as compared yesterday, wala na nga gaanong tao. Very minimal na yan. Yesterday talaga hindi mahulog ang tak-tak yung beach. Kaya hindi ko na rin masyadong bring up kasi ang daming guys. So yun. So I guess this is the advantage of walking in slippers today. Pwede kong gawin to. Yeah. So, ang pisaw. Ayun. So I guess that's the reason why nag-walk tayo with slippers. So I was expecting na, ayan nga, malapit yung dagat. Although ngayon, surprisingly, the dagat is hindi maligalig. So, thank God. Ayan o, mag-banana boat ata sila. So, yun. So, ayan na nga. Nandito tayo sa tabing dagat. And we have no care about the world kasi nga, slippers lang tayo. We're not wearing shoes. Tatampisaw tayo. It's a different experience overall. Ayan na nga. Tampisaw. January 4th. It's a refreshing feeling to be feeling water in my feet. Ayan siya. Oh. Ayan o. Oh, diba? So yeah, as I was saying, it's a refreshing feeling to be feeling water in my feet. So I'm not wearing any shoes. Enjoy din pala to, ganito. So this is not an exercise walk. It's more of a fun walk. Because this is unplanned. This is not supposed to happen. Pero tinuloy pa rin natin yung lakad natin. So, ayun. Actually, wala na ganong tao. Konti na lang yan. Konti na lang sila. Kasi nga, pauwi na sila. So, we'll be changing venue kasi kahit fun siya. Maraming mga debris from Typhoon O1 doon sa shoreline. So, dito tayo. Ayan. So, majority of the tourists, may mga locals din siguro. Mga pauwi na sila. Kasi nga Sunday. Tuloy na natin yung lakad. Ang dami ng pauwi. Kasi nga, work day na tomorrow. So, pauwi na sila. And, yeah, ayan. Pauwi na. Wala na rin gaanong tao sa shore. Kasi nga gabi na. So, almost 6:45 na. So, but again, sa shoreline tayo. Nababasa ang ating paa. Feel refreshed. Hindi tayo sanay. Anyhow, nahihila-hila. Babasa pati yung ano. Hila-hila tayo ng tubig. I think dapat yung tsinelas, dapat hindi siya ganito. Dapat yung liipit sa paa. Pero yun na nga. Hindi lang tayo maglakad. Pinagtitinginan tayo ng tao. Pero, cabs, ay, o diba gusto natin gawin to. So, gawin natin to. Hi po! So, dapat, I guess hindi tayo mahiya. Kasi nga, diba, it's for a purpose. And today is more of a fun day. Fun day for a walk. So, ito yung view. Malapit na magdilim. Dami pa rin tao kung tutuusin. On a normal day, marami pa to. Ayan. Ay, yung ano. Hello. Tubig. Tubig. Buti na lang. Ang ating bag ay waterproof. Ang ating phone ay waterproof. So, lakad pa rin tayo. So, yun. Ayan o, di ba? Ayan o, nababasa tayo. Wala tayong choice. Gusto natin to eh. Tinuloy natin itong lakad na to. Hindi dapat matutuloy. Pero, yun nga, it's more on, apart from sa spontaneous siya, and then, sineself-motivate ko yung sarili ko, is, I guess, serendipitous din siya when it comes to the channel's discovery. Kasi nga, since I'm only wearing slippers, I look more approachable, and kids were approaching me. So, natuwa lang ako. Siguro it's meant to happen this way. So yeah, another, I'd say, miraculous event, that something that na iniiwasan mo mangyari, ginawa mo pa din. Tapos may mga magagandang nangyari, di ba? So, dito tayo ngayon sa Baywalk. And, yun, also, share ko lang pala, my brother and I did a inuman session yesterday. Casual drinking lang naman, it's not much of a drinking. Pero yun, I shared na in life sometimes maraming ganap, maraming mga nangyayari na hindi mo gusto. Pero yun, there's still always something to be grateful for, and there's always something to be thankful for. So, minsan lang talaga may mga araw na mahirap hanapin yun. Pero meron at meron. And, yun I guess yung focus mo dapat. You should focus on the positive things rather than focusing on the negative ones, like problems, like complaints, like what could go wrong. Why not shift that mindset into what could go right? You know, what are things that are good that's happening right now? Parang itong vlog na to is not supposed to happen. Sabi ko nga, pero tuloy natin. And then yun, diba? It was a fun experience overall. Wala nag-aanong tao dito. So, and I'm slowly building my confidence talking to the camera, being stared at by people. And it's 2026. I don't care anymore. Yeah. So, yeah, let's just continue walking. Hello. So, see. Hello. Meron na naman tayong another group of youth. Hello. Sige lang. Hi guys. So, turista ba kayo or taga dito din kayo?
Marami lang sa Bantayan.
Bantay. Mangaldan, taga Mangaldan. Hi, mag-hi kayo sa vlog. My name is Steven. Anong pangalan ninyo? Introduce yourselves. Group yourself into... Go!
My name is Carlo Panday.
Hello, Panday.
Hey, Carlo Panday.
Hi. Next.
Next.
My name is Karen Panday. My name is Stacy Panday. Dayan po, Dayan.
Ikaw din.
Jose po.
Si Kuya nakaupo.
Yan, pogi lang.
Yeah, my name is Steven. Say hi to vlog. Ayan sila. Group of kids. They're from Mangaldan. I don't know. This is fun. Different from what I'm used to doing na yung nagsasalita, tahimik lang. I guess 2026 has a different plan. And those small recognitions for me are small wins. So I'll take it. And I'm grateful for it. So thank you guys for, pinapansin nyo ako. Thank you. So this is the Baywalk at night. Nice lighting over there. And we have a coffee shop, Milk Bay. I think that's new. Yun, marami pa rin pauwi. And siguro punta tayo dito sa shore kasi wala gaanong daanan ng mga sasakyan. And normally, dapat sasakyan nag-a-adjust sa tao. But here, what usually happens is ang tao ang nag-a-adjust sa sasakyan. At ang daming sasakyan. Motor, kotse. Ayan. Continue lang tayo. Marami pa rin namang nandito. And nakita ang mini coffee shop. Fair spot. Cute. Diba? Hi! Shout out. Yes. One walk at a time. One walk at a time. Nakita kita. Actually, dun sa isang video ko, nakasalubong kita. Nakita mo ako din. Sabi ko, sa inyo ba to? Sa'yo to? Ganda. Hello! Fair Spot Coffee. So if ever na magawi kayo dito sa San Fabian Baywalk, visit nyo sila, dalawin nyo sila. Anong name mo? Rios. You are? Yan. So hi guys, my name is Steven. The channel is called One Walk at a Time. Again, thank you for entertaining me. And this is Fair Spot, a coffee shop. Yes, shout out sa mama niya. Ayun. So ayun, overview lang. So Fair Spot daw. Nag-usap kami kanina, sabi nila, hindi sila local dito, taga Manawag pa sila. Di ba, tama? Taga Manawag pa. Umuwi. Nag-uwian kayo?
Opo.
Araw-araw?
Araw-araw, gabi-gabi, every night.
Nice. Then, nagbe-visit din kayo ng ibang beach or dito lang talaga?
Tulad ng Tungkaligan, Dasol.
Oh, nice. Pero madalas ko kasi nakikita to dito itong Fair Spot. So, mas gusto nyo dito. Mas malapit kasi sa Manawag. Oh, tama naman. Ayun. Ayun, sige. Follow natin sila sa Fair Spot Coffee. Ayan, meron silang mini table and hi, yung customers nila. Yes. And they have director's chair. Cute ng setup nila. The umbrella, the lighting is good. So kung gusto niyo ng medyo aesthetic beside the beach, this is it. Visit them. Thank you guys. And so let's continue the walk. Hindi ko. Ayan. Hi guys. What's your name? Ang pangalan mo? Ha? Rian. Follow. Wait lang. Shout out daw to mga kids na to. Ang pangalan mo? Ram, ikaw. Thank you. Hi. Taga Sabangan lang ako. Doon lang sa ano. Lagi ako dito halos araw-araw. Nakita mo ako, no? Ayun. Hey, bye! Salamat! Ayan, so may light. So, ayan. overjoyed with ayan, yung mga bata. Mga bata, local businesses. So, I don't know, this vlog is totally out of the blue. And yes, madilim na. So ayan, madilim na. Ginabot na tayo ng gabi. Ayan na naman siya. Gusto na naman ng shoutout. So, ayan sila. Nandito na tayo, madilim na. This is Grace Sands. Yeah, Grace Sands. Ayan, bata. This is Grace Sands. Grace Sands, marami pa rin tao dito. Pero, konti na lang din. And, since sobrang dilim na, labas na natin yung mahiwagang lighting natin. So, ayan, the light kind of helped. Lighting na tayo. So, may panlaban tayo dyan sa mga headlight ng mga motor. So, ayan. Light na tayo. Hope ko lang talaga sana hindi sila mabulag sa ilaw natin. Nakakabulag talaga to ilaw na to minsan. This is the TNW DC06. Mura lang to. So ayun, promote ng mga products. Pero not really into promoting the products yet. This is about walking. So yeah, there's that. Vlog muna tayo. So we're using the back cam kasi nga madilim na pero nabubulag ako sa ilaw. So I think stationary lang muna tayo with the lighting. Yes, madilim na. So tingnan natin. Ayan. Wala na ganong ilaw. Ito kakabulag to. Try ko hinaan yung ilaw. Ayun, so we're back. We're gonna be staying stationary muna kasi nakakabulag yung light. I can't see where I'm walking if I continue. So, yun lang. Konting plug lang. Yun. So, we're continuing to walk. Halakad pa rin tayo. Abutin natin yung dulo. Mukhang magpapaputok si Kuya. Kuya, quitis yan? Quitis po?
Oo.
Papaputokin mo?
Wow mo dito. Sila ba?
Oo nga, baka mamaya, ano. Hello! Sud ka dyan kasi magpapaputok yung papa mo. So, ayun, may magpapaputok ng quitis. I think they're still celebrating the New Year. Ayun, so ganito na lang siguro. POV shots na lang because medyo masakit sa eyes yung lights. So, ayun na nga. Wala na ako makita. So, pagdating sa dulo, uwi na rin ako agad. Diba? May mga nagbe-video ako, okay. Diba? Sana hindi tayo makapiright. So, we're at the end of our walk today. We're at 3 kilometers going here and then 3 kilometers going back home. Now, at the back of the camera, there are kids na kuhanan ko sila kanina. They're from Tarlac. So, for today, this walk is actually not planned. I didn't really wanted to go to a walk today. But, I pushed through. Kumaga parang pinilit yung sarili ko kasi nga wala naman akong gagawin today. So, since wala tayong gagawin today, nilaan ko yung oras ko intentionally to go for a walk. Then, instead of my normal walking gears na I wear shoes, right now I'm just wearing slippers kasi I know for a fact na gagabihin ako and then maalon. So, ayokong mabasa yung sapatos ko and all. But yes, this is the end of the video. I just wanted to kind of impart some wisdom that if you're going through it and if you're starting to be unmotivated, starting to question your purpose, don't. Just continue doing what you love. Continue doing what you love because one day you'll think yourself, you'll look back at the things that you did and you'll be thankful that you pushed through and you did it. And as well, um, the things that you love to do, for me kasi it's walking. So since I love doing long walks at any day, at any time of the day, it has been a part of my identity na. So since part of my identity, it's not something na pinipilit ko pa yung sarili kong gawin. So I guess that's another important lesson that I would like to impart with you guys na if it is something that you love, it has to be part of your identity. You have to be identifying with that certain action. And if it's part of your identity, it's easy for you to do. So yun lang, thank you guys. And this walk is unexpected. This walk is an eye-opening and I've seen a lot of people. I've talked to a lot of people today. I don't normally do this, so I think this is a start of something new. And it's 2026. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Yun lang. Again, my name is Steven and this is One Walk at a Time. Thank you again guys for walking with me. Thank you.